Hello friends, we are starting our organized self-employment ministry and budget 24th session. It is continuous session for making organized self-employment ministry budget live by the concept of right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 year for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should have the constitutional system of self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office. This is self-employment, government job by organized self-employment ministry and budget. Between 0 to 18 years and 18 if required, because eventualities can come in our life, and 18 to 58 year for we all earner who after 18 years think that we want to earn, and some government connectivity is required. For this we have to make document system. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. I have written this book, Truth Only Trumps, 218 pages book, Truth Only Trumps. This is a unique book which teaches us that we can become self-employed government earner. We can become self-employed government earner by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, so that we can be able to form organized self-employment ministry, and we can live in that also by the document system made by Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. Now this book explain us in the organized self-employment ministry 24th session, in the organized self-employment ministry 24th session, that we are able to form self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing. For this we have to come to my house, that is Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for understanding the democratic self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. First room is devoted to Shiv Shakti, Shiv Puran. Second room is devoted to Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. Third room is devoted to ISBN, different Hindu laureates, educationists, lawyers, and the scientists, Hindu scientists, and all the truth and non-violence book written by Hindus. And fourth room is of the truth, non-violence, Durga Saptati, Devi Bhagvat. Fifth room is of Hindu worship, each united Hindu god and goddess. And sixth room is of government. Concept has been developed into 20 into 5 by this unborn concept of Hindu, and then partialized in 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100% from the organized self-employment document system. We have to generate trust and faith in the writing of Truth Only Trumps, Amit Kumar Jha, that is me, and by the document system of organized self-employment ministry. I have tried to put Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo election identity card. And then for the concept understanding, I have made self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month SOAR, finance commission. And I have tried to make self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, election commission of India. In that way, we will be linked by the various types of document. Since it is a document system, so it is a system which develop a conceptual analysis. For this, I have also made this fiscal credit table, because what is there in this fiscal credit table, I have tried to make the sketching on that level, so that the work we are doing, it should be constitutionally acknowledged. Because organized self-employment ministry is there, which is working on the principle of income work educational certificate constitutional validity on each. Means one work which we are earning by the self-employment, that is being given validity. Means one work which we are earning, if we are doing any work which is can be done in front of 6 family by truth and non-violence, it is being given validated. And on that validity, the Amit Kumar Jha concept, which I have developed by this fiscal credit table, we will take the various types of the fiscal credit system, like illiterate. For the illiterate, I will try to take the wage per day 330, and fiscal credit per day will be 165. So according to that, what will happen, the fiscal credit per day and the salary per month will be 9,900, and fiscal credit salary per month will be 4,950. Now this is a validity on income work educational certificate throughout our life, starting from 18 years, when we are realizing that we want to work. For this, I have developed a atmosphere of organized self-employment ministry by the document system. For this, in room number 1 to 6, 12 Jyotirling of each with the family. Shadow documents we are putting 12 Banarasi sari and 12 dhoti, and 12 into 6, 72 Banarasi sari and 72 dhoti we are putting. And we are making the organized self-employment ministry, that is by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing government job. And we all acknowledge that it is government job, and this fiscal credit table which I have shown you, on that basis we start doing our work in the different sessions of the organized self-employment ministry. The center I have tried to make Amit Kumar Jha, and state center I have tried to make Amit Kumar Jha with the document, so that we all are attached by the document, and automatically by connection we are trying to make the various type of faith and trust networking, so that the coordination through mobile number 63973601717, those who are working can be created, so that trust and faith can be generated. I have been working from 2001 and it is 2021. Every month this system I have tried to check. Trust, faith I am trying to generate in the various organized self-employment ministry and budget session. And people are accepting, and gradually as the strength increases, automatically each one will start speaking that self-earning self-work certain has certain fiscal credit by the fiscal credit table made by the organized self-employment ministry. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. It is self-employment government job, and we can get the various type of fiscal credit salary from that. So in that way, whole life we can work. Now we will make the organized self-employment document together. First, we will try to put in a decent manner so that we all will be working in that, because all degree members are in that, from illiterate to signature known to the post graduate to the postgraduate to the MPhil to the DLET and PhD. I have made employment equilibrium point in the democracy. That point is 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. 70-30 proportion of our Hindu population is there. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, the 6th room of Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, 1 to 6 room, and from the governor house I, because we will become self-employed by signing by it, and the work we are doing, it will be validated by income work educational certificate capital value. By trust and faith document signing, automatically we will be connected by 750 MPs Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It is just a concept for understanding, because the document form we can put it in front of the Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Okay, and in that way, after that, 4,500 documented for Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. By the document path, we are coming at the center of the document. We are giving validity of self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, which we are doing, and fiscal credit we start grasping. Work starts generating at the center organized self-employment ministry and budget. Now we have to understand in that 1 to 6 room of democracy. One is the devoted politician, that 4,500 MLAs from 29 states, 6 union territories, and 750 MPs from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. All are having their own political party, own public opinion. We are documenting by the document system that we all will show self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing by the document method. And between 0 to 18 year, if require, and 18 to 58 year, anyone at any time he starts joining, he will be coming in the grade of organized self-employment ministry as I have made, and gradually the promotion will also be given every 4 years. The direct ministry by the document system and direct budget. Direct ministry, direct budget connection automatically comes to us. Every month by the preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, we are connected. And in lieu of that, we are having our work and organized self-employment system. After that, I have tried to put 30,000 above this on that, so that we are 30% people who are above 30,000 per month earner. Now this 30,000 per month above earner, it is depend on the equilibrium, employment equilibrium point, because according to inflation, deflation, repression, boom, it can go up and down. But one thing is certain, as annual budget 108 ministry is presented, railway budget 1 ministry is presented, organized self-employment ministry and budget will be presented, and on that basis it will be decided by the organized self-employment finance minister that this is the equilibrium point. As income tax we are giving all the economical transaction we are doing, on that basis we can easily document it. It is already documented, only we will give validity to that. In lieu of that, I have tried to sketch the 31st August 1946 flashback, so that no one face problem in understanding, and immediately in our mind it get understood that we have become self-employed by the Amit Kumar Jha concept of common life living, general life living. Money is arranging from our parliament and our Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad by our signing of the document, which is senior is the organized self-employment ministry, which senior is the Parliament of India MP and the Vidhan Sabha MP, and then it is attached to the executive and judiciary. And since we are organized employed and organized self-employed, automatically department wise we are reaching. Now, as I have shown you the organized self-employment raise to the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sadham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. All rays are coming and it is uniting at the document, and then it is stretching to the Amit Kumar Jha document of truth only terms. And from there we are coming in the documented form and signing it. And we are receiving and validity is giving and the stamp is becoming. We are organizing the table and chairs and we start sitting, and the work we are doing, it will be given validated. The concept, if we will understand, automatically we will pass on to our juniors, our relatives, our friends. Automatically it will be boom. What work we are doing, we can expand. If we are politician, we can sit in organized self-employment ministry as a politician. If we are an industrialist, we can sit in the organized self-employment ministry and budget office as an industrialist. If we are educationists, scientists, legal lawyers, we can sit in organized self-employment ministry, writers, we can sit in organized self-employment ministry as that. If we are Adi Shakti Jagadamba representative, we can sit in the organized self-employment ministry in co-ed or in women chambers. If we are each united God and Goddess truth and non-violence, we can sit in the truth and non-violence. And if we are government organized self-employed, we can sit in that. The document system has been given the concept Rashtrapati Bhavan concept and Governor House concept as we develop a organized vote bank. And we have divided as our head Prime Minister, 750 MPs, 4,500 MLA and FC as the head, and Chief Minister as the head, and automatically self-transfer system can be done. A organized path starts moving. The double salary system starts coming because many of us are left from the work, and then we face problem. After that, when the system has moved, then we are not able to accommodate. So from the very beginning, I have tried to put from the 0 date to 18, if any eventuality has come in the life. Many things can happen, we know better. And from 18 to 58 year, whenever we are thinking that now we want a regular income and a status, this organized self-employment ministry, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, document system automatically start. And in the lieu of the repetition, we start making between 16 February to 26 February and between 31st August to 11th September. The 6 pair of the husband, wife, god and goddess who are already in our heart and worship it and then immerse in the Ganga and river nearby with the Pushpanjali, Arati and all, and reading this truth only trumps. And again we are returning to back, and we also are doing Ramnami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Tiryodashi, all types, Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Vrishupvari, Shukruvari, Shanivari, Ravivari, all types of fast. Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Wednesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast, Sunday fast, whatever we think as an purity for our heart and mind. We have to understand that this document has generated self-employment government job by the organized self-employment ministry, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar concept. And we can continue with that work by the coordinating with the mobile number of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. And automatically we start working under him, that is me, and automatically it will be coordinated every year, and automatically we will be linked. Faith, trust and the need is also required, that yes, we want that optional salary also, because this salary is fixed salary. This salary is fixed salary as it is a fiscal credit. Every year in the February month, when the budget will be presented in the Parliament or Vidhan Sabha, then only it will be turned, because it is a constitutional track. Every day fiscal credit, constitutional track, and every day we are reaching to the organized self-employment ministry and budget. Every day we are reaching to the organized self-employment ministry center, where the table and chairs are put in Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, and all the centers who are linked with them, and work start. Automatically our brothers and sisters who are in Parliament, 750 brothers of different political parties, and all 4500 brothers and sisters of MLA and MLCs of different political parties who are in different areas. Automatically they also gather, and we will listen them by this table. Now it is not that this table is, means we can also make the validity on that. Only the document signature is required, so that we, when we are putting our Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo election ID card, it become a validated document, and the table is becoming validated. Then it will be given the validity from the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha, and automatically it will come on the PMO table, Prime Minister and President table, Chief Minister and Governor table for signing the bill. After signing the bill, we will be linked as a vote bank. We will be the vote bank of Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Kshirdhagar Dham, Satya Dham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each United God and Goddess Dham, and Government Dham. The rays are coming from that. By document system, we have come to Amit Kumar Jha, room number 126, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, and from there the validity is documented The constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate by this fiscal credit and truth only terms it is given. A constitutional railway track automatically is made like national highway, and in that way we all will be moving, that we are knowing this is Amit Kumar Jha concept of a self-employment government job, and we have become the vote bank. In English, we will say we are the representative of welfare power, that is Shiv Parvati, live money, that is Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Brahma Saraswati, that is law education, all the ISBN Hindu writers, the Adi Shakti Jagadamba, and her husband, that is family and her non-veto husband, and the each प्रत्येक संयुक्त वर्षकृत भगवान बोले, that is each united वर्षकृत god and goddess, that is truth savior and each truth savior and each truth saviors, and the governmentary, that is time husband, timer. Now it is not a new concept. We have already been married all over India, 29 states, 6 union territories. Our family belongings are scattered and working all over India. We are documented in this form in this way. Some are supporting, some are joining. Automatically by the family atmosphere, by the grace of all political party, all the MPs and MLA, because their vote bank is as stable as it is. Apart from this, our organized self-employment ministry budget workers is attaching, and their advice is also prominent, because by their signature only this will come. Until and unless they will not bless us in the parliament and in the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, this bill will not be coming. Organized self-employment ministry budget bill, which will give self-employment government job to we all, and automatically we will become self-employed, and by the table and chair we are putting, we will be called self-employed. Whatever age we are, 18, 32, 46, 58, in that slab we can put our chair and sit there and start. The work has been validated, salary has automatically started coming, and then promotion table is also there. Automatically 4-year promotion table will start working as we continue to work. This will generate a enthusiasm and permanent solution that we all are the sons of this, and automatically the vote bank what they have and this vote bank together we can work, and the industrial people also, because here the work is optional, because some work we are doing, some work ministry is telling, and rest of the work we can do in the flexible work, as the industries are calling. Those who are permanent worker, document system automatically acknowledge that money is only been given, so no requirement of this. If they want double, then also double can be given, double like this, here also connection and there also connection. What will happen? A direct path of center to the organized self-employment ministry budget at the state level and at the center level get corrected, and we become self-employed government servant, and whole life we remain, because the festival 16 to 26 February and 31st August to 11th September, when we will make, automatically it will give a good emotional attachment in front of the Shiv Puran, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, the Brahma Saraswati Puran, different ISBN writer, the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran, that is Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagavat, the Hindu Varshkrit God and Goddess Puran, and the each unite that is Constitution of India, that is all government gadgets. automatically 6 raise and tagging to the one center Amit Kumar Jha at the state level and at the union territory level and at the center level by the document system, and we are able to become self-employed. And 24 hour it is flexible. We can work from home also by the headquarters at Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126. Automatically this work will generate a constant path, because you see the fiscal credit salary is fixed from 0 to 58 years. I have tried to make 18, 32, 46, 58 year concept, and after that retirement is there. So there is no problem in understanding. Means every month that is fixed. Every month, suppose we are postgraduate, our wage per day is in the organized self-employment ministry, it is 1125. Now this is self-employment government job, so it is not going to change at all. It is not going to change at all. And on that basis, the fiscal credit per day is coming 562.50 paisa. So salary per month is becoming 33,700. Salary per month is coming 33,750, and the fiscal credit salary per month is coming, that is coming the 16,875. Now we must understand that we are coming from the economical weaker section. So what is happening? Sometimes the job is constant. Sometimes the job is constant and we are not facing the problem of job coming and going. But sometimes what happens, 3 months, 5 months, 10 months, the gap is there. By this system we are able to constantly make, because both share are in this. Because I have tried to put Aadhaar card into 20 into 6, that is 120 crore Aadhaar card I have to put, and I have tried to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle. For that also I have tried to make a constitutional document of court martial range, so that the people do not face at all. Because from the ultimate time also, the rays are going to Kailash Dham in court martial range. The rays are going, the Shiv Puran rays are going to Kailash Dham. The Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, the rays are going to Vaikuntha and Kshir Sagar Dham. The Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran, the Hindu writers who have written different type of all subjective book, their rays are directly going to the Satya Dham, Brahma Saraswati Dham. And the Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagavat, the rays are directly going to the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham and the Varshkrit Dham. Each united Hindu god and goddess we are calling, the rays are directly going to the Hindu Varshkrit Dham. And the government, the constitution government, it is going to the democratic Dham, that is democratic Dham of government Dham. So from there, from infinity, we have to reach to the point where we can assimilate the concept of truth and non-violence, because we have to work so that we all are free. And by the document system, a attachment is coming, a permanent slab is coming. Those suppose is not interested, they can easily opt for their career. But if we are in constant life, we are knowing, we want to know each other, and also if we want to move to Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Madras, anywhere, we are not facing problem, because organized self-employment ministry 750 MPs and MLAs, all signatures will be given validity when they will accept us, and 4,500 they will give validity. Automatically we will be going to any state by this organized self-employment ministry document, by self-employment government job. What will happen? A organized table, organized chair and a organized class is already there. Like in railways we have the reservation of AC, 2 tier, 3 tier in plane, as well as anywhere we are going, here the work is organized. Those who are starting, those who have been break up in between, all can join in this organized self-employment ministry. From where? Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Automatically we will start working, and as the member will increase, the truth and faith will increase. Automatically our parliament brothers and sisters and the Vidhan Sabha brothers and sisters, that is 750 plus 4500 representatives who are already elected from the Election Commission of India. They are day and night working in this. Annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry. Automatically they will make us organized self-employment ministry and budget representative, and we all become organized self-employment ministry budget representative. And by prayer we will always say, make me your medium and representative, O organized self-employment ministry, Shiv Shakti welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi live money, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amitabhilasha, Brahma Saraswati, Lord Education, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba, and each unite the family and her husband, each united worship God and Goddess, truth saviors, and the government testing. Automatically these repetition, automatically we will move on the truthful path, and in the flexible time we can go to the organized self-employment ministry, because where we will be staying, there we will make the arrangement of center. And those who will be interested in organized self-employment ministry, those who want to give validity on the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, fiscal credit table is giving the validity of the work, and on that basis we can also talk and develop the path in a more perfect manner, because as employment is being generated by the concept of truth and non-violence. We have 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir all over India. We have 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir. We have 175 crore Brahma Saraswati ISBN, Hindu Writers Book, Hindu Certificates. We have 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir that has been serving us. We have 175 crore each united worship God and Goddess ISBN certificate, and we have 175 crore central and the state government unitary government and its gadgets and so many law. So we can make up at the center by the document system, as our prime minister and chief minister is head and the president and the governor is nominal head. In that committee, when we are signing by giving the affidavit, what is happening, a document is prepared in front of our employment is becoming organized, and some money if we are earning, that we are putting, and automatically organized self-employment ministry budget bank will be automatically is being orienting, and a fund is created for the self-employment government job validity. What will happen? We will be in the touch of self-employment government job forever in our life, and after 58 years we will retire, and we can in between we are daily going office, so many constitutional conversation, financial conversation, business conversation, political conversation, educational conversation, family conversation, truth and non-violence conversation, government conversation we can do at the center. Because when officially we will acknowledge the work of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, by which we will be connected, automatically we will be able to become organized self-employed government servant. And one work has been validated. If we have thought this work, writing, suppose, so writing is being validated, we are getting this fiscal credit salary, the ministerial benefit will come. like pension, gratuity, provident fund, TNS allowance, and our political brothers will also be happy because we are the vote bank. By signing the document, if we are attached in this system, automatically they are our boss where we will run. They also have power and we also have power. Every 5 year voting election is there, but in between relationship is also there. So we have to understand and come under organized self-employment ministry and budget for doing self-employment government job and join organized self-employment ministry and budget. Thank you.